everybody, this is Patty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a design team unboxing for Bird and Barn Designs. It's an Etsy shop and the manufacturer is Red Hill Fiber Arts. That's her daughter, and there's a collab with Lavish Laces. So I thought I would unbox with you. So this is from the Bird and Barn Designs. Let me get this out of the way. Let's open this. Sorry about all the crinkling. This is such pretty tissue paper. So Martha makes these beautiful, with Bird and Barn Designs. She makes beautiful wood, like storage stuff for laces, and it's very exciting. I'm excited. This is going to be so much fun. Look at the little Paris. Can you see that? Oh, my camera. They're like little wood tokens. I love those. Oh my gosh. Look at the design. These are lace spools. Or ribbon spools. Look at the design. Isn't that gorgeous? So I have 3 of those. Now I'm going to be doing something special to make them my own. I'm going to paint them, and I will share with you little by little each one. So let's open up this one and let's see what's in here. Look at how beautiful this is. It's made out of wallpaper. What is this? Oh, wild sage wool. Okay, so that is her daughter Lindsay, who also owns Red Hill Fiber. She collabs with another Lindsay, a little confusing, from, I don't know if she has the other Lindsay's business on there, but anyway, they make yarn, and it's just really beautiful. Look at the shimmer in that yarn. And it's so soft. You all need to go check out Wild Sage Wool. It's wildsagewool.com. Beautiful yarn. Beautiful. So these are little lace cards. Look at. Or ribbon. You can do ribbon. So I got quite a few of those that I'm going to play with. You'll have to stay tuned. See what I do with all these. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me move this tissue paper. And I'll put that right. Well, you can't see it. So I'm going to put it right here. Alright. Let's get the last one open. Let's see what's in here. Oh, these are amazing. These are, like, you know how you can use rulers to put your laces and trims on? Now I can use these. These are so pretty. They'll be so pretty sitting in a jar once I add my little touch to them. Oh my. Thank you so much, Martha. This is going to be so much fun. And then she added some little bling pieces and, hold on, see if I can get it open here. I think these are thread bobbins. Oh, they are. They're like little wooden, or no, they're cardboard. Oh, these are so cute. And lots of bling. Oh, that's pretty. The Paris one. You see that? Oh, that is so pretty. Let's see what else. Let's get it all out. Little pink buttons. Oop, they're stuck to some big blingy pearl pieces. Look at these. Oh my, look at this. This heart charm is so cute. It's like crystal on the inside. So pretty. And of course we have the Eiffel Tower. I'm so excited. Oh, these are going to be fun to play with. Some little dangles. A heart. Oh, these are so pretty. Thank you so much, Martha. Alright, so let me grab all this stuff because we got to get to Lavish Laces. So I'm just going to see if I can move it. This might become a disaster. Let's see. Okay, I got it. I got it. No spells happened. Okay. So this is the Lavish Lace. This is the collab that birdandbarndesigns did with Lavish Lace for the design team. So let's see what, oh my. Look at all these laces. Okay, we're going to do one at a time. I'm going to set this off to the side a little bit, and I'll pull a pack out at a time, and we'll look. Oh my gosh, that is so soft and pretty. Do you see that? Let's see if I can get a good angle. That is so pretty. It's a light yellow. And it's so soft. Gorgeous. Oh, look at this little baby trim. That is so sweet. I love that. That's beautiful. Oh, and this little pink. Oh, this little dainty pink. It's so pretty. Put that down there. And then we have some little, oh, this is really soft and delicate. Little flowers, little tulips, it looks like. Trim, so pretty. Okay, let me put that over here. Alright, next pack. Oops. Let's look. I just love all these laces. They're gorgeous. You can find Lavish Laces on Etsy. That's so pretty. A beautiful insertion lace. Some crocheted lace. Oh wow, that's really pretty. Look at this little baby trim. That is so delicate and sweet. I love that. Oh, that's pretty too. Alright, let's move on. Okay, So these are the wider laces. So let's see what we got. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. Do I have it on the right side? Yeah. That's a beautiful lace. And her stock changes because these are all vintage laces. And so what you see here may get sold out in the shop. So you kind of want to run over and check periodically because I know she gets new stuff all the time. And sometimes she has limited quantities. So definitely keep checking back. So this is the vintage lace grab bag that I just pulled out. And we're going to look at those. I feel like I'm going to get these all confused. Oh my gosh. That is so sweet. It's a little dainty lace. I love the dainty ones. Oh, this is sweet. It has a little, like shamrock, looks like. So cute. That is so pretty. And it's so delicate. And great quality. I mean, look at this applique. It's beautiful. Oh, I've never seen anything like that. That's beautiful. It's like a beige color. And it has like a rose. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's do this one. Oh, that's interesting. I like that. That is really cool. And here's another like darker beige. It goes this way. Oh, that's so pretty. So those are from her vintage lace grab bag, which I know those often change too. Alright, let's see what else we got. I think this is our last pack of lace, and then I have one more package to... Oh my. That is so pretty and delicate. There's a few of these appliques, which are very pretty. Oh, look at... Oh my gosh. This is so soft, this insertion lace, but it's a tiny insertion lace. So soft. Pretty. Oh, this has like sequins in it, like opalescent sequins. So pretty. Oh, lovely. Lovely, lovely. And some beautiful satin ribbon in like a peachy color. It's a gorgeous color. It's so soft. Gorgeous. Thank you so much, Jaizella. These are the laces are just beautiful. All right, last item. I think they're just all ledgers, but we're gonna, let's see, where am I? We're gonna take a peek. Oh, no, there's more. Oh, my. All right, here we go. This is a vintage French letter. So not only does Jaizella have laces, she has ephemera. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Wow. Thank you, Jaizella. This is fantastic. old photo. $1934. This one doesn't have a date. Did this one have a date? Nope. That one did not have a date, but it's I'm going to say this one might be older because these are lighter weight and this one's heavier, so I feel like this might be early 1900s, maybe late 1800s. An old envelope. What's this? Oh, some negatives. Oh, these are amazing. Oh, and some little tiny pictures. I can't read it because it's in French. Oh, wow. Are these? I don't know if you can. I think you almost have to put it on something. Yeah, let's do that. Some people. These are really cool. I might have to hoard these. I'm sorry. No, I'll use them. Oh, that one doesn't. It must just be a. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's people. There's some people in that one. And some people in this one. These are really cool. I'm excited to play with these. Let me just stick them back in here. Wow. Oh, a pretty cabinet card. Oh, it lifts. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. I have never seen anything where they have like a onion skin that lifts off. That is really cool. An old postcard. French 1913. Beautiful image. Another postcard. This one isn't used, but it's definitely old. And another one. It's really pretty. Some French rag paper book pages. Those will be nice. And this is an old music sheet or music book. Wow, look at the size of this rag paper book pages. This came out of a huge book. Oh, I love it. It's some sort of register. And then we have a French ledger, a whole page. Look at how beautiful that is. Unused. And another ledger paper. Thank you so much, Jaizella. All this is going to be fantastic to play with. And the laces and all the... Oh, this is going to be fun. So stay tuned because you're going to have to see what I do with all the laces and all the wood pieces. from Bird and Barn Designs. This is going to be so much fun. I'll be back with a design videos very soon. Thanks for watching, and I will post all of their store links, Lavish Laces and Bird and Barn Designs Etsy shops, in the description box. And I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.